What is up, Dogelon Mars holders? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back at you with the latest and the greatest on the Dogelon Mars token, and we know that is going to be ticker symbol ELON. Gotta let you know, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is financial advice, just giving you my opinion. And definitely do drop a big like on this video to help the promotion of the Dogelon Mars project, help us get off to Mars that much faster. Also, do consider subscribing to stay up to date on cryptocurrency news, all things Dogelon Mars. I never attach any paywalls to any of my content, and I always try to bring it with the utmost transparency. If you appreciate that, definitely drop a subscribe on this video. I also do NFT giveaways every single week right on this channel, but right now I am doing a Methuselah Foundation tribute that I have sold 2 of them so far. I have 2 sold out of 30, and I want to give a big thank you to those 2 people that have helped support this mission so far. You guys are definitely giving me a lot of hope on this project and making me feel a lot better than I did when I started. So thank you very much. If you guys are helping with this one, I will be donating 100% of the proceeds on this NFT to the Methuselah Foundation wallet. So yes, that is what I wanted to get into, and let's get into some Dogelon Mars news. We are currently ranked 120 right now, and we have a market cap about $500 million, so that's looking very good. We are looking very good in terms of price. We're well above support and off onto a new price range. We do have some news today that may affect our price, so watch all the way to the end so you do know the information relating to that. Looking at our analysis, we do have 44% of people in the money, looking very good, very nice. Holder count does continue to increase pretty gradually. This is some nice sustainable growth here. 135,973 holders. Wow, that is awesome. So we are just growing by the day. Yeah, about a 400 holder jump this week. Very nice. Very awesome. All right, so I want to give a big shout out today to the Dogelon Burn page, because he is 9 holders away. Well, 8 now. He was 9 holders away from doing his NFT giveaway. So if you want to do a giveaway, I was going to do one on today's video, but instead I'm going to direct you guys to @theburningelon. That is going to be right here, and you will see his page. There is a SoundCloud attached to it that does burn Dogelon Mars. So yeah, he is inching his way to that 500 follower mark. If we can get 8 of us out there to follow this page, he is going to be doing a giveaway to 2 people, so 2 people can win. I want to throw that out there. All right, now let's get into what the Dogelon Mars is looking like on Investor Observer, and we are currently getting a short-term technical score of 67. I'm going to refresh it so you do know that that is the latest and the greatest score. It did drop 1 point there, but there is a little volatility in the market right now, and that is going to be with looming Fed rate hikes right now. So let's get into the volatility first. We do have a 43. Long term we are 92. Short term we are looking 66. Still scoring above 66% of cryptocurrencies. Still scoring above 92% of cryptocurrencies long term. So I'm not finding a whole lot of reasons to be bearish on this project right now. We are sitting a little low on our 5-day range, but that can change in a matter of seconds. I mean, look at our high is 501048. So anything above that is just going to put us right on there. $20.027 million traded over the last 24 hours. 138.48 million traded over the last week. We do know we have the Fuego NFT drop coming that is going to definitely give you a spot in amongst the elite of the Dogelon Mars holders. You will have one of the highest positions in the Dogelon DAO, and I couldn't be more excited for that. Now, let's get into an article from Investor Observer. Neutral rated Dogelon Mars falls Tuesday to 608,752. Quite unfortunate, but that is basically what has happened with the entire crypto market. Dogelon Mars Elon gets a neutral rating from Investor Observers Tuesday. The payment token asset is down 0.98% to the 608,752 range, while the broader crypto market is down 1.6%. Over the last 5 days, Dogelon Mars has earned a neutral rating on the Investor Observer Sentiment Score. The Sentiment Score measures the performance of Dogelon Mars over the past 5 days by volume and price movement. The Sentiment Score provides a quick, short-term look at the crypto's recent performance. This can be useful for both short-term investors looking to ride a rally and long-term investors trying to buy the dip. Dogelon Mars is currently trading near its 5-day low of 608,692, and the payment token asset is 18.2% off its 5-day high and is 0.69% higher than its 5-day low of 60869. Dogelon Mars price is well positioned between support and resistance, with support set around 608,569 and resistance set at 609,232. Has some room to run before facing resistance. Dogelon Mars has traded on low volume recently. This means that today's volume is below its average volume over the past 7 days. So yeah, and we also did get another article from the Investing Cube, which there wasn't very much. It gets into a little here, but this is where the actual useful information is. So the 4-hour chart is showing a strong bearish trend in the past few days. As a result, the coin remains substantially below its 50-day moving average, signaling that bears are in control. In addition, the RSI has moved slightly below the neutral level of 50, while the stochastic oscillator has moved above the oversold level. Now, we are, this is what I wanted to show you though. It does appear we are forming a descending channel on the 4-hour chart, which is definitely an indicator of a potential breakout. So the coin has also formed the descending channel pattern shown in purple. Therefore, the signs of bottoming emerging. This is a likelihood that the coin will continue rising as bulls target that resistance level of 501. On the flip side, the drop below this week's low will invalidate this bullish view. So we do have a bullish sign on the 4-hour chart right now. That is looking good, but really what is going to determine all of this is going to be the FOMC meeting that is being held today, and I am on Pacific time, so it will probably this information may get to you a little later than possible. So I'm trying to get it out before 11 o'clock, which is going to be the time that we should hear our answer. But that is really what is going to determine. If you are watching right now and you see Dogelon Mars is pumping right now or having a nice little upward movement in price, then you can probably expect the meeting went well. We are expecting a 0.5% increase right now from the Feds. That is probably priced in right now, more than likely more priced in. But if they decide to derail us, they can say that they will increase another 0.25 at a later date. They can say that they are going to increase it to 0.75, and that would lead to some downward pressure. That is for sure. So I want to make you aware of that it is pretty uncertain right now, because our fate does lie in the hands of Congress right now, at the U.S. Congress. So that is something we need to take into consideration. Hopefully we get some very positive news, because if we do, this is going to be very positive for the price action on most cryptos right now. And Dogelon Mars is not anything different. That's exactly what it is dealing with. It is subject to the rules of the crypto market, which it is definitely making its own. But the cryptos move pretty unison. And so yeah, that's about what we have for today. I just wanted to keep you guys updated, let you guys know what is going on. Hopefully we are seeing a rally. If you are watching this with a rally right now, that is very awesome, and I'm hoping for the best. I'm actually pretty positive on this right now. So at least from my perspective, I do feel that we should see a 0.5% increase, and hopefully we can just move on from there. So if you watched all the way to the end of this video, oh boy, I appreciate you so much. Thank you very much for the support, and I will catch you in the next one.